In this tutorial, we will learn how you can search for your media in a totally new way. Strada has two major search options. On the left is the Media Pool search tool, which is the best way to search through large batches of assets. On the right is the Transcription panel search tool, which is the best way to search for text within a single asset. Now I'll search for the character named Flo. Now I could add an additional search. So I'll search for Flo in the kitchen. Or how about a search for Flo on the stairs? Since Strada is so good at logging your assets, you can search for characters, locations, objects, text, and emotions. You can even filter by the types of visual searches by category. These four icons below the Media Pool search tool represent text, audio, visual logging, and clip metadata. These default to all on, so your searches span every category. But if you select just audio, your searches will now only fetch results for dialogue. For example, if I search for the word rat with the audio tag on, it will only surface results where the word rat is spoken. If I only select the tag icon, it will only show me takes where a rat is tagged. This represents footage that logged rats visually in the video. If I select the text metadata icon, I can search for the word poison, and it will find the times that a word appears on a screen. If I select the clip metadata icon, I can search for scene 11A, and it will find the takes that have that set up based on the audio wave file metadata. Using these search filters in combination unlocks incredible power, speed, and accuracy. The second way to search is by using the Transcription panel. Now I can start by using the Media Pool search to narrow it down. So I'll first search for the word cheers. If I select one of these takes and type cheers in the Transcription search, it shows me that there are 3 times it's spoken in this clip. If I hit the down arrow on my keyboard, I can navigate to all the times the word cheers is said. Then I can hit play and hear the character say the word
cheers.
You can click anywhere in the transcript and that will drive the video. Likewise, clicking through the video will always move the transcript.